Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. So if you have this error, then what you can do is you can head over and end the background process by clicking Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Then look for any running Roblox installer like Roblox Player Launcher.exe or similar. Right click on them and select End Task. You can also restart your computer. You can run installer as administrator as well. And you can also disable antivirus or firewall because this may block the installation process. You can also clear Roblox installation files by navigating to this particular address and deleting any existing Roblox folders. This ensures that no corrupted files interfere with the new installation. And then from there, you can reinstall the installer from the Roblox website in order to initiate your process again. So that's how you fix cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running error. Hope we helped.